Japanese prisons serve for meals every day. After watching, it's truly astonishing. Every morning, the selected kitchen duty personnel have to undergo strict inspections by the prison guards, ensuring there's not a speck of impurity even in their fingernail crevices. Once cleared, they begin their cooking tasks for the day. The first dish on today's menu is fried chicken cutlet. To prevent safety issues, the entire surface of the frying pan is covered with a layer of metal mesh. Once fried, the chicken cutlets are conveyed out from the other side by a machine. Despite being a semi-automatic cooking mode, the fried chicken cutlets turn out golden and crispy, rivaling those from high-end restaurants. Next comes the preparation of rice. These rice grains have already been infused with sauce prior to cooking, ensuring they aren't bland even when consumed separately. However, to enhance the rice's texture to the fullest, they also add peas, corn, and carrots into it, stirring evenly before packing them into lunchboxes. Each portion undergoes strict weighing to ensure absolute fairness before being covered and placed into the warming chamber. Moving on to the vegetable preparation phase, washed onions are chopped into small pieces by a machine, while white radishes are manually peeled, sliced in half, and then cut into strips. Throughout this process, the knife must never leave the cutting board, or else it will be met with serious consequences. Afterwards, broccoli is blanched in boiling water briefly and then removed, while carrots and onions are directly served as a cold dish. Though it may appear somewhat plain, it's certainly not lacking in nutrition. Following this, the plates are arranged on the table one by one, with a piece of chicken cutlet and the corresponding vegetables added to each. With this, today's lunch is complete. Once the prison guards confirm everything is in order, the buttered bread dessert and meals are packed together and ready to be delivered to their destinations. At the command of the guards, they can then begin enjoying their lunch. What do you think of the standard of such meals?